Class 8, Subject English, Chapter 3.2 The Song of Songs, Chit Chat and English Workshop. Chit Chat 1. Do you like to listen to music or songs? Answer: Yes, I like to listen to music in my free time. 2. What types of songs do you sing? Answer: I sing songs of Marathi, Hindi, Bollywood movies. 3. Who is your favorite singer? Answer: my favorite singer is Arjit Singh. 4. When do you sing? Answer: whenever I am free and get time, I sing. 5. Do you practice singing under the guidance of a guru? Answer: no, I do not practice singing under the guidance of a guru. I listen and try to imitate. 6. What is the difference between folk music and classical music? Answer: folk music 1. Comes from the heart. 2. It is the music of traditional popular music style of the region or communities. Classical music 1. Based on disciplined rags. 2. Strict rules of rhythm and patterns. 1. Discuss with your friends and write down the names of 5 to 6 Indian musical instruments and those used in Western music. Musical instruments: Indian, tabla, mridangam, shehnai, sitar. Flute, Western, drum, violin, piano, guitar, harp. 2. A rag or rag is a music piece in Indian classical music which is sung or played in a fixed combination of 5 to 6 basic musical notes. From any singer or musician or the internet write down the names of any 5 rags and on what occasions they are best sung. Answer: rag 1. Rag Malkaun, occasion late night. 2. Rag Bhairavi, occasion morning. 3. Rag Purvi, occasion afternoon. 4. Rag Marwa, occasion evening. 5. Rag Kalyan, occasion night. Question 1. Frame your own sentences by using words or phrases. 1. Wonderful. Answer: what a wonderful scene that was. 2. Superb. Answer: his dance is really superb. 3. Very well. Answer: I understand very well. 4. So beautiful and divine. Answer: all the creations of the nature are so beautiful and divine. Question 2. From the story, make a list of words related with music. Answer: 1. Musician. 2. Rag. 3. Voice. 4. Sing. 5. Ustad. 6. Music. 7. Tanpura. 8. Tansen. Question 3. Who said to whom and when or why? Answer: who said to whom? 1. Then I must have him sing in my court. Who? Akbar. To whom? Tansen. When Tansen said someone sings better than him. 2. I shall go as a humble love of music. Who? Akbar. To whom? Tansen. When Tansen told Akbar that he would not come even if Emperor summoned him. 3. What has happened to you? Who? Sant Haridas. to whom? Tansen, when he made a deliberate mistake. 4. How can I expect my music to be so beautiful and divine? Who? Tansen, to whom? Akbar, when Akbar asked him why couldn't sing like his guru. Question 4. Match the sentences with their types. Answer. Sentence 1. What has happened to you? Type of sentence: interrogative. Sentence 2. I am long past the age for singing. Type of sentence: statement or assertive. Sentence 3. Wonderful. Type of sentence: exclamatory. Sentence 4. No, not even then. Type of sentence: negative. Sentence 5. Take me to him. Type of sentence: imperative. Question 5. Make as many words as you can from the word exasperated. Answer. 1. Spread. 2. Read. 3. Trade. 4. Speed. 5. Trap. 6. Seed. 7. Seed. 8. Date. 9. Deer. 10. Deer. 11. Tree. 12. Sari. 13. Rat. 14. Ear. 15. Eat. 16. Tea. 17. Pea. 18. C. 19. C. 12. Rate. Question 6. Write T for true, NT for not true, and CNS for cannot say. 1. Emperor Akbar greatly admired Tansen's music, but now he was bored with it. Answer. Not true. NT. 2. Akbar was arrogant and expected all his subjects to obey his commands. Answer. NT. 3. Guruji recognized the king. Answer. CNS. 4. In spite of being a great singer, Tansen continued to make deliberate mistakes. Answer. T. 5. Any effort dedicated to God turns to be the best. Answer. T. Question 7. Discuss and write briefly. 1. What would happen if the Emperor Akbar would summon Sant Haridas? Answer. If the Emperor Akbar would summon Sant Haridas, he wouldn't have come to his court. The Emperor would have been felt insulted, and even Tansen would have been hurt. And if he wouldn't have come to his court, the Emperor would have given him punishment by bringing him in front of him by sending his men. He would not be able to listen to the music of Sant Haridas. 2. What if you find a blind person singing songs melodiously for begging? Answer. If I find a blind person singing songs melodiously for begging, I would ask him about his educational qualifications in music. If he is well qualified, I will take him to my school and I will request my school authorities to depute him as a music teacher so that we would enjoy his melodious voice and he would earn his bread and butter instead of begging. Question 8. Study the underlined groups of words. Say whether the underlined are phrases or clauses. 1. The musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. Answer. Phrase. 2. There is someone who sings far better. Answer. Phrase. 3. He had been Tansen's music teacher and he lived the life of a hermit. Answer. Phrase. 4. The music spread like the first glimmer of dawn. Answer. Phrase. 5. His music springs from the depths of his soul. Answer: phrase. 6. As they walked back, the emperor suddenly broke the silence. Answer: phrase. Question 9. Do this question in your classroom under the guidance of your teacher. Question 10. Search on internet the information about Tansen and any two great artists or musicians with the help of the following points. Points are name, place of birth, music or art, awards and honors. Answer 1. Name: Ramtanu Pandey means Tansen. Place of birth: 1493 or 1500, Gwalior. Music or art: Hindustani classical music. Or musician, awards and honors: no idea. 2. Name: Bhimsen Gururaj Joshi. Place of birth: Roan district, Gadag in Karnataka. Music or art: Hindustani classical music, devotional songs. Awards and honors: Padma Shri in 1972, Padma Bhushan in 1999, Bharat Ratna in 2009. 3. Name: Ustad Bismillah Khan. Place of birth: 21st March 1916, Dhumrao, Shahabad district, Bihar. Music or art: Indian classical music, Shehnai. Awards and honors: Bharat Ratna in 2001, Padma Bhushan in 1968, Padma Vibhushan in 1980, Padma Shri in 1961. Question 11. Activity: collect any 5 stories of Akbar and Birbal. Write or present of any one of them in the class. For answer, check the link in description box and write one of them.